Absolutely nothing. But a whole lot of me and a whole lot of Foxy. Strange, because there's lots of tracks out there. They must be wandering around at night. I got my flash turned off because batteries are so expensive. Well, set her back up again. See what happens. Foxy. What are you doing, Foxy? Stretches? Stretches and sneezes. It's Foxy's favorite thing to do other than eat. Hey now, CarlTheMadman here. Thanks for tuning in, thanks for watching. I'm with Foxy the Fearless. We got a dump of snow. I am sure glad I raked the snow off my roof last night because holy schmoly. Man, it's still coming down. We're on our way to work. And I get to work with Caitlin today. Woohoo! So, Moose Knuckle did a parody video of me. Go check it out. I'll put a link down below. If you don't know Moose Knuckle, Go check out Moose Knuckle. Gave me a good laugh.